Hi YouTube, it's Passion, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this flea market slime. So these three were $1 and this one was $3. However, I did see other vendors selling it for $4 and $5, but I got it for $3. And I didn't notice that it was like cracked, so I just put some tape on it so it wouldn't dry. So yeah, that's my fault for not noticing, but it's like a little tub. And these all come from China. They buy them cheaply in bulk from China and then resell it in the flea market. So it's probably not as safe, but I think as long as your child washes their hands afterwards, it should be fine. I don't think it could be too dangerous, but it came from China, so it probably is. So this is the first one I found, and I just like, oh, I thought it was the cutest ever. And it looks like it's painted on there. Like, look at the little cheeks. And then it was like printed badly. But what'd you expect for $1? So you can tell it was like printed badly. This is in the back. So it says 2017, so it could be like a year old. And then made in China. So at least it says made in China. And then this one, I don't know what kind of fruit this is supposed to be, but they had like other fruits like oranges. I think they had watermelon too. But I just grabbed this one. And they all had the same stuff inside. They were clear with silver glitter. This one also says made in China. And this one I just got because, you know, it says Galaxy Slime. And I wanted to see if like this will stay Galaxy, I guess, when I play around with it and mix it up. But this looks like the barrel kind of slime. So we'll see. And this big tub over here doesn't even say slime. It says crystal clay. And it says DIY. I would not recommend doing that. Keep that away from your mouth. But like, I wonder why it says crystal clay instead of slime. Cause I'm pretty sure it's slime. And then color 5D. I wonder what that means. But this one has like little fruits in it. And then it says the same thing pretty much. This one says 2018, so it's newer. Alrighty, so let's start messing around. And so you can tell there's like some dried stuff out here, and I haven't even opened these. Well, maybe that one to put the tape. But yeah. Oh shoot. It's so pretty. Yeah, my hands are dirty because I was making a phone case and I like redid it 3 times, so my hands are filled with silicone and paint. It's not that stretchy. It's really pretty though. If you slowly stretch it, you can slowly stretch it. So the smell. I want to talk about the smell. It smells like they try to put some scent into it, like a fruity, soapy scent, but it smells more like plastic than the fruity, scenty smell. But it's nice. Not as stretchy as the Elmer's clear one. But what'd you expect for $1? I really like the case it came in though. That's really cute. It's like really cheap plastic though. There's that one. And next we're going to play around with this one. I like how this one comes like wrapped in plastic. Oh. Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, there we go. This one feels like wetter, and it's a lot less. Like, if you compare the amount. Oops. I keep wanting to try to pull the ears to open it, but that's not how it opens. So I feel like you get a little bit more in this one. This one feels a lot wetter. And for the smell, it smells pretty much the same, but this one smells more like a clean smell, like a cleaning product smell. I don't know. And the same thing, it's not as stretchy. If you do it slow, yeah. I was really hoping this was gonna smell like a fruit, because that's why I had the packaging, but I guess it's just for looks. They don't actually smell like fruit. Oh well. Next we're gonna try this one, the one that actually says slime in it. So this one's wrapped as well, which is nice. Oh no, it's like water. Oh my god. This one actually doesn't really have a scent. Oh wow, that is like Jello slime. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. It's kind of like a slinky. I know that's weird to say, but it's like a slinky. Oh no, I ripped some of it. Look at it. Sorry about the plane. We live next to an airport, so it gets really noisy. But look at it, it's so it's like Jello. Oh my god. It sounds like water. Oh, I like this one. And then I'm going to try to mix it a lot to see if the colors mix. Oh, it's like falling apart. There's like clumps on it now instead of like, it was so smooth, but I guess like it gets clumpy when you start like fidgeting with it a lot. It looks like the colors are mixing, but I don't think it'll stay like that. Look, and it tears a lot when you start like messing around with it. Oh well. I'm trying to make the farting noises. How do you make the farting noise? Oh, there we go. Yeah, so the colors do mix around a little bit. Okay, time for this one. Oh, how am I gonna open this? Okay, there we go. Ooh. Okay, this one feels a lot harder. It smells like plastic. Ooh, it's a lot of slime. Look Look at the little fruits. I wish they had more of these like little fruit things. It just seems so little for that amount. It's cute though. So this one feels a lot harder than the other ones, and this one's not as stretchy. I mean, yeah, no, it's not as stretchy, but you get a very large amount compared to these two little ones. And that one looks like water. I can't get over that. Okay. But yeah. Would I recommend these? Probably not, because they're not safe. But I guess if you want to like play with them in your Instagram video, then they're fine. They do smell plasticky and kind of like cleaning solution. I would just wash your hands afterwards. The best bargain is this one that I found for $3, but people do sell it for $5. I think $5 is okay too. And there's like a medium size one of these too. And this one for $1 I think is a steal. I like, this is my favorite. This one's just like, I don't know, a lot better. It's not as hard and it's not as wet as this one. That one's just like Jello. Yeah, this is my favorite. This one's just a lot. But yeah, that was like 12 minutes of me talking gibberish that I'll probably edit half of it. But yeah, this is the kind of slime you get at your local flea market. There they are. Oh, I'm getting glitter in my hands.